If you've ever wanted to make your ElevenLabs voice sound more natural, more dramatic, or just more expressive, this tutorial is going to help. Today I'm going to show you how to whisper and yell in ElevenLabs prompts using simple tags you can add right before your text. This is a quick but powerful trick for creators who want more control over tone, emotion, and delivery in their voice projects. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI voice tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the text prompt or script box where you enter the voice you want to generate. This is where you'll add special direction tags to shape how the voice is delivered. If you want the voice to whisper, you can use the tag right before your text. You can also use, depending on the style you want. For example, you could type, "Don't make a sound," or "Come closer." The tag should come before the sentence, so the AI understands that the line should be spoken softly and quietly. This is especially useful for suspense scenes, secretive dialogue, meditation content, or any audio where a softer tone feels more realistic. Now let's look at how to make the voice yell. To do that, use the tag before your text. For example, you could type, "Get out of here." When ElevenLabs reads that prompt, it will generate the line with a much louder, more forceful delivery. This works great for action scenes, dramatic moments, motivational lines, or character voiceovers that need intensity. The key thing to remember is that the tag always goes before the text you want affected. So if you want whispering, place before the sentence. If you want yelling, place before the sentence. You can also combine these styles across different lines in the same script to create more variety in your voice output. For example, one character can whisper a secret while another character can shout in response. That makes your audio feel more dynamic and lifelike. If the first result doesn't sound exactly how you want, try changing the wording around the tag slightly, because small text changes can affect the final delivery. Sometimes shorter sentences work better for emotion tags, and sometimes adding punctuation helps the voice perform more naturally. So the simple formula is this: use for a quiet delivery, and use for a loud yelling delivery. It only takes a second to type, but it can completely change the feel of your voice generation. Once you start using these prompt tags, you'll have much more control over the emotion and style of your ElevenLabs audio. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tools guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.